time conversions. Now we know that 1 week equals 7 days. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Now, when I say we know that, let's hope you know that. If you don't know that already, you need to commit that information to memory. Also, 1 year. Well, 1 year is 52 weeks. Well, it's a little bit more than 52 weeks. It's 52 weeks in 1 day generally, but 52 weeks is fine to think of 1 year. But there's a few other ways of thinking about a year. We can also think of it as being 365 days. Right, there is an extra day in a leap year. Or we can think of 1 year as being 12 months. So they're all our information that we need to remember quite well. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to complete the conversions. Firstly, 3 hours equals how many minutes? Well, just with any conversion, just remember if we're changing something big, some unit that's big, to something smaller, we multiply. And the reverse, if we're changing something small to something bigger, we are going to divide. So we're changing hours to minutes. The connection there is that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So the factor we're using is 60. And because we're changing hours to minutes, that's something bigger to something smaller, we're going to multiply by that 60. So 3 times 60 is 180. So 3 hours equals 180 minutes. Our second example, 420 seconds equals how many minutes? Well, seconds and minutes, what's the connection? We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And in this question, we're changing seconds to minutes. So that's an example of something smaller to something bigger. So we need to divide. So we're going to divide by that 60. So 420 divided by 60 equals 7. So there we have it. 420 seconds equals 7 minutes. 7 days equals so many hours. Well, days and hours, we know that 1 day equals 24 hours. And we're changing days to hours, so that's big to small, so we're going to multiply. So we multiply by that 24, and 7 lots of 24 equals 168 hours. So 7 days, that's a week, isn't it? We know that then there's 168 hours in a week. Our fourth example, 72 hours equals how many days? Well, the connection between hours and days, we know that 1 day equals 24 hours. So we're changing hours to days. That's small to big, so that's why we divide. We divide by that 24, and we get 72 divided by 24 is 3. So we have it 72 hours equals 3 days.